Hi everyone, it's Liz from Crafty Woman Shop, and I want to welcome you to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you the invisible join method for finishing your projects in the round. The invisible join method can be used with any crochet project worked in the round. This is just a simple flat circle that I worked in a spiral using single crochet stitches. You can see that I have my first stitch of the round marked with the stitch marker, and I already made my last stitch of the round. Now I already cut the yarn, so that will be your first step. Pull the yarn end all the way through that last stitch, then thread it through your yarn needle. Now I'm going to take the yarn end, and first I'm going to feed it through that first stitch of the round, so right underneath the V of the stitch, from right side to wrong side or front to back. Then I'm going to loop back and bring the yarn end through the back loop only of the last stitch that was made. Again, from front to back of the work. Pull through, and you'll notice that you can't even tell the difference between stitches, even though this is an invisible join and the rest of these are single crochet stitches. So here's an example with the granny square. So I'm going to pull, I already cut the yarn, so I'm going to pull through all the way through that last stitch I made, which is a double crochet. Thread the yarn needle, locate the first double crochet I made, which is actually a chain 3, but it doesn't matter. So there is the first stitch. Place your needle through the stitch from front to back of the work. Pull through, loop back, bring the yarn tail through the back loop only, from front of the work to back of the work. And pull through. Now you don't want to pull too tightly, or else you'll lose that appearance of a stitch. And then to finish off on the wrong side of the work, you can just simply, I usually just make a little knot with the yarn end, and then I just weave in the end. So the invisible join gives a nice finishing touch to your crochet projects worked in the round. Thank you for watching this free pattern tutorial. Be sure to visit the blog craftywomanshop.com. You can also find me on social media and stay updated with free patterns, tips, tricks, and more tutorials. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more, and go ahead and hit that like button.